Nakipag-ugnayan din tayo sa Kongreso upang mabawasan at alisin na ang excise tax sa langis. Yun po yung batas na hiningi natin sa unang-una. Natapos na ang kanilang pag-aaral doon sa batas na yan at nasa amin na at siguro by the end of today, I will be able to sign that into law already. Ngayon, titignan ngayon natin kailan ang pinakamagandang oras, when is the best time to use that new authority, because there are conditions within the law that have to be satisfied. But nonetheless, we are trying to determine because ang mahirap talaga dito is pabago-bago ang presyo. Alam naman ninyo lahat, paggising nyo sa umaga, iba na naman ang presyo. May pronouncement na nanggaling sa US, bababa ang presyo. Tapos mamaya ng konti, tataas na naman. So, mahirap talaga magplano. And that's why we are going, and that's why we have been trying to find the optimum levels in terms of support, in terms of the suspension of some of the charges that the government exacts from especially from food products.